Welcome to my channel HSC English Version Tutorials. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to determine the net sales amount. Net sales means the total items sold by a company after some adjustments. Look at this word total sales. Do remember, in the question paper we may get the other synonyms of this word and they are sales, actual sales or gross sales. To determine the net sales amount, first of all, we have to find out whether any of these words are mentioned in the question paper. We will write the word that we will get among these words here in this box. Suppose we have this word total sales in the question paper. Therefore, we will write here total sales like this. And here we will write the amount of total sales. Secondly, from the question paper, we will have to find out the element for which the amount of this total sales increases. If we get the element in the question paper, then we will add the amount of that particular element here with the amount of this total sales like this. And if we do not get the element, we need not to add the element with the amount of this total sales. Thirdly, we will have to find out the elements for which the amount of this total sales decreases. If we get the elements in the question paper, then we will have to deduct the amount of those particular elements here from the amount of these total sales like this. And if we do not get the elements, we need not to deduct them from the amount of these total sales. After finishing the calculation of addition and subtraction, finally we will get the net sales amount of any company. Look at this chart now. These are the elements for which the amount of this total sales increases. We will have to add the amount of these elements with this amount. On the other hand, these are the elements for which the amount of this total sales decreases. We will have to deduct the amounts of these elements from this amount according to the question. Look at this question now. Mr. Safin is a businessman of Khatunganj in Chittagong. He started business in April 1, 2015, bringing cash taka 1 lakh. Transactions occurred in April of this business are as follows. April 3, goods purchased taka 80,000 on credit from Tarija Traders. April 6, goods sold taka 60,000 on account to Rauf Enterprise. April 10, goods sold cash taka 40,000. April 14, goods returned of Tarija Traders taka 5,000. April 20, Rauf Enterprise returned goods taka 6,000 due to inferior quality. April 25, half of the due paid to Tarija Traders considering 3% discount. April 30, withdraw goods taka 3,500 for personal use. Determine the net sales amount of Mr. Safin for the month of April. See, here the person is Mr. Safin. So we will write here Mr. Safin. This is the date and year when Mr. Safin started his business. So we will write here for the month of April 1, 2015. In this date column, we will write 2015 here. Now look at these two transactions. In April 6, goods sold taka 60,000 on account to Rauf Enterprise. And in April 10, goods sold cash taka 40,000. If we add the amount of these two transactions, then we will get total sales. Therefore, we will write here April 6 and here goods sold on account to Rauf Enterprise and here the amount of taka 60,000. Here April 10, here goods sold, and here the amount of taka 40,000. See, in this question there has only this element for which this total sales decreases. So we will have to deduct this amount from this total sales. Therefore, we will write here April 20. Here Ralph Enterprise returned goods due to inferior quality, and here the amount of taka 6,000 within a bracket. After finishing addition and subtraction, we will get 94,000 taka as net sales, and this is our answer. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial.